Hey, what is going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to change the photo resolution on your SJCAM, the SJ9 Strike model. So very, very simple. So first thing, go ahead and turn it on. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure you go to photos. So tap on this down here, and then you just want to go to photo. And then on the left side right here, you want to tap on that where it says 12M for 12 megapixels. Tap on that, and then right here you have you can change the resolution from here. You got 12 megapixels, 10, 8, all the way down. So whatever you choose, for example, if I choose the 10 megapixels here, I tap on that, and also the ratio is 4:3 as well, but it shows down here 10 megapixel, as you can see down there. Also take note that if you want to change the video quality, you can just go ahead and tap on that, go to video, and then tap down here, and then right here you got the 4K, 2K, oops, go back there again, 1080p, 720, even the 1080p here. I can go down to, let me go back to 1080p. We'll do regular 1080p here instead of ultra, and you can even go down as far as 120 frames per second. So if I keep it at 120 frames per second at 1080p, now I just go back here, and I know it's on 120 frames per second because it says down here, it says 1080p, and underneath it says 120 FPS for frames per second. So pretty simple. Any questions or anything, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, guys.